So, as you know, my name is Yevdokia, and I am the leader, the speaker, and the main researcher in our project. Let me remind you a little bit about what our project explores. So, our project explores AI sycophancy. It's a tendency of artificial intelligence that it tends to agree with, to agree or flatter the user's opinion, reinforcing their opinion rather than challenging them. So our aim is to understand how this interaction with artificial intelligence chatbots can affect the teenagers' critical thinking, trust in technology, and decision-making behavior. So today we are going to present you the work that we conducted on stage 2. So we will present you some aspects. We will share you the structure of our research, how we distributed it, preliminary findings, and challenges that we have faced during the process of distribution. So I also want to add that we have also the second leader of the group. Because she is absent today, I will present her part. She constructed our survey. That's why it is important to mention about her work too. So let's start with research design. We designed a comprehensive questionnaire to study how teenagers interact with artificial intelligence chatbots and how this interaction may shape their beliefs and cognitive styles. So our survey consists of 4 logical blocks according to the funnel principle, from easy questions to complex one, and then returning to the easy to simplify the cognitive tension in the end of our survey. So the first block, it is demographics and AI usage. We began our survey with questions about the respondents' age and their general experience with AI. Importantly, we preserved response categories from the international study. That is the main reference for our research, and these allow us to compare Russian data with global trends. So the second block is the core of our research. It's cognitive and psychological scales. We integrated the need for cognitive closure. It is a scale that was coined by Russian researchers. I will tell you now what is it. So, need for cognitive closure measures a personal discomfort with uncertainty and their preference for quick and clear answers. So this helped us to test our 2 hypotheses. Hypothesis 1, we hypothesize firstly that teenagers with a high need for closure are more likely to consider AI as an external authority that provides categorical answer. And secondly, we hypothesize that frequent use of AI may correlate with weaker critical thinking, users closing information searched too early, and reject other alternative viewpoints. So within this block, we also included scales assessing attitudes toward AI, influence on belief, social consequences, and critical thinking. So also to keep responses engaged, we added some visual elements to our survey and memes in the end. So let's talk about the third block. It's situational scenarios. Respondents were asked how they would act in hypothetical situation. For example, we asked them what they will choose, the advice of artificial intelligence or the advice of their friends. So these questions help us real contradictions between stand beliefs and real decision-making behavior of teenagers. So, and the last block was open-ended questions, and at the end we asked participants to reflect what they find most valuable in interaction with artificial intelligence, at what they would like to improve in artificial intelligence. So to collect responses, we used Yandex Forms that allowed us to distribute our survey among our classmates at school in social media and online study communities.